Well, hello, and welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop. Today, we got another unboxing to do. That's right, we got another unboxing to do from my favorite company, SANSI. But stick around, at the end of this video, we got a great party to go to. Alright, when the actual package arrived, it was in a bigger box. It actually came from Amazon. This was inside the box, and it had packing all around it, so they do package these boxes up pretty nice so it won't get damaged in shipping. Now, this is what's inside this box here. First thing you're going to get is a little SANSI congratulations card, I guess you want to call it. Then you have your user's manual. That's it. That's all the user manual is. Next is going to be the actual light. Nice packing all around it. You can even use this packing in this entire box for storage when you're not using your light. It is a normal household plug, 2-prong. The actual light is not heavy, but not light either. Plastic, very nice and thick. You can tell it's not cheaply made. For mounting, it does have a couple little screw holes there that you can actually mount it to a wall or to your ceiling or wherever you want it mounted at. This is just one of the stickers that has on it right there. Alright, this is a 50-watt LED outdoor waterproof floodlight. It is 350-watt incandescent equivalent, and the color is 5700, which is daylight. Well, there you go. Information about this light. Right? Big things in small packages. It's very nice. It is an outdoor waterproof floodlight. Very, very bright. You do not want to look at this directly. Trust me, I've already done that. Oh man, I've seen spots all through my eyes. Okay, again, you can mount it on the bottom bracket here. You've got a couple of little tightening screws here. You can undo, turn it up and down anywhere you want it at. And then just go ahead and tighten these screws back up. And then it would actually stay right there. It won't even move. Alright? So yeah, very nice. I really like this light. SANSI has really come through again on some great products. Alright, well there you go. Now in the description below there will be a link to where you can go and get this light for yourself. And if you use the promo code NEWPRIME, you'll get 20% off of your purchase. Alright? Now then, also SANSI has been around for 2 years now. That's right, this is the second anniversary, and they're having a party right now. So if you go to their website, that's also in the description below, you will be getting into a drawing to where you could win some awesome prizes. Now, a few prizes that you could win is a 6-pack 5-watt 3000K LED light bulbs from SANSI, along with an 18-watt motion sensor light, a 4-pack of 18-watt 5000 bulbs, and you can even win this 50-watt floodlight from SANSI. Alright, so go ahead, go check out their website, get into that drawing. You could win some awesome prizes from SANSI. Well, happy anniversary, SANSI. 2 years of selling these awesome LED lights. I really love them, and I know you're going to love them too. So head on over to their website, check out the products that they have, and also sign up for that giveaway. You could win some awesome lights for yourself for free. Alright, well, my name is Shane. This is Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.